Good night, teacher and partners. My name is Wilson Hernán Orozco Ramirez. I am 40 years old. I am from Bogotá, Colombia. I live in the city of Pereira Risaralda. I work as an electronic technician. I am a student of electronic engineering. I live with my wife and 3 children. I like to eat, watch movies, I am play video games, I am read books, I am play soccer, I am watch anime, I love to go camping, I love the rain, I don't cool food, I don't like very hot place, I don't like crowds, I don't like inequality. In the middle of the years, I was with my wife and children in the Lake Halima. It is a tourist place in my country, Colombia, in the department of Valle del Cauca. We rent a cabin and spend some wonderful days. Camilo was almost all the time in the water science. You can practice water sports. Laura meet a group of young people who were in the boat and the lake. Sofia did spend her time in the cabin reading. The water was sunny the 4 days we were there. My wife Maritza and I went for a hike and had a romantic dinner at a local restaurant. It was an amazing vacation. We really want to repeat the trip to this place in it is the very natural and the mass money attractions. For the whole family totally recommended. But the most tried on the tour coordination everyone rest days so that we can meet this goal for next year. Thank you very much.